The 7 Deadly SaaS Sins, the SaaS Agency Edition. Number 1, source code storage. Your intellectual property, i.e. the ideas in your head, your software code, your hosting configuration equals your SaaS. Did you know that software code is your business? If you don't have the ownership of the software, the configuration of your hosting, heck, even the account for your hosting, if you lose access, that could mean the total death of your SaaS. Number 2, Parkinson's Law. Did you know that humans expand in the available schedule? If your sprints are 2 weeks long, or worse, 4 weeks long, or even worse, it takes weeks, months for you to get an update, that's exactly how long it's going to take for you to get an update shipped. Unshipped software has zero value. At the end of the day, speed saves. The faster you can deliver software, the quicker you get feedback, the better off you will be. Parkinson's Law loosely defines that we as humans use up the available time. You've probably seen it in your own life. It is probably the biggest challenge for delivering software on time. Another one that your SaaS agency will do, number 3, the A-team sold you. You talked with their best people, maybe even their best salespeople, maybe their best developers. And now that you've hired them, now you're with the B, C, D, or even a non-existent team. The speed of delivery is waning. The quality of delivery is non-existent. Correcting issues takes days, weeks, months. All of these things impact how your team is working with you. And you know what? You can only go as fast as your team's weakest member. The wrong cloud provider, number 4. Your hosting choice impacts your delivery speed, who you hire, the team you can build. Fly-by-night hosting providers are non-starters. If you aren't using one of the big 3, like AWS, Google, GCP, or Azure from Microsoft, you're probably at the wrong pool. Using the wrong cloud provider will stunt your growth, could hurt your uptime, and most importantly, will not give you the customer satisfaction you seek. Build versus buy. This is the one that I see is the biggest problem with an agency you hire. They are all about writing software. Software developers like to write code. And part of the reason that you're in the SaaS space is because it is infinite. Custom software has a massive opportunity cost. This opportunity cost is in time, money, and just the distraction of what it is that you're delivering. Every line of code you write that is not around your core innovation and what it is you are delivering is a distraction for you and your team. Everything you are doing around software is something you should be doing around your intellectual property and your unique reason for being. Anything else is just noise and an added expense you do not need. Number 6, QA and testing. The key for you for delivering this is having some testing automation, and that's key for you sleeping at night. You do not have, nor does anyone you have or anyone you hire have enough hours in the day to evaluate each update. You need some automatic testing with every code update to go through and smoke test and sniff test out any problems or anything else that's going on. Knowing an update didn't break anything will let you rest at night. Your testing should incorporate the different consumption modalities. What I mean by that is if you have apps, if you have a website, if you have phone access, tablet access, or computer access, you need to look at all those and see how your pages are behaving. You probably also need to look at the different browsers that are out there between Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Finally, number 7, monitoring telemetry. Would you rather have your buyers or you figure out that something is broken? Worse, would you rather have an evaluator or you figure out something isn't working correctly? Or do you want to have your customers or your team figure out that something isn't working? Or do you want support to be overwhelmed when something doesn't work? Proactively knowing things are amiss will earn trust with your customers. Having a set of metrics that you're recording and responding and reporting on every day and every week will show you trends over time and allow you to have the best experience possible. Having the right SaaS agency working for you with the right ownership of the software, the right monitoring telemetry, and the other things I just mentioned will get you to product market fit even faster.